Hey everybody, Jamestown experienced quite a snowstorm over the Thanksgiving holiday weekend. It started Friday night and continued really up until a couple of hours ago. It's now Sunday morning. Looks like it's going to be a sunny day today, but I took the opportunity to do some painting over the snowy weekend. The one that I'm finishing up right now was started at the Holiday Dazzle parade on Friday night as the storm was just rolling in. So right now I'm just finishing up this Holiday Dazzle parade piece, and this one was started in micron pen. This is how most of my sketchbook drawings start. Actually, all of them have started with a micron pen so far. And then I go over the pen with watercolor. This one became a true mixed media piece with a lot of gouache. I really wanted to capture the festive atmosphere. Even though it was bitter cold for the parade, everybody was still super excited to come out and see the floats, and they were magnificent. I came down to the Arts Park for the Kiwanis hot chocolate, and I stayed for as long as I could, which wound up being about 3 floats. By the time the parade got to the Arts Park, I was cold. So this was the second or third float that I saw. I think it was probably sponsored by the Jamestown Commercial Club. Certainly not the most exciting float of the evening. Hardly any lights at all on this one, but I'm trying to fake it with these metallic markers and some metallic paints. I'm pretending that they had a light up tree like I saw on so many of the other floats that went by. I ended up skipping out after about the 4th float, and watching from my apartment, I have a pretty clear shot of the parade from upstairs above the art center. So I wanted this really bright, colorful background. That's why I went with gouache instead of watercolor, so that I could get those just vibrant hues that make it seem like we are right in the midst of this festival of light. So I hope you enjoyed this piece. I recorded a time lapse of most of the paintings, so I'll play that right now. Started with pen and then moved to watercolor and gouache with some acrylic spattering to add the effect of lights. Gone in and redefined some of the original lines that have gotten covered up with paint. But I want to keep this one really loose because part of the feel that I'm going for is that it's just really cold outside, and snow is swirling and people are shivering and we're all just trying to find warmth. This space heater was so integral to the Kiwanis members being able to remain outside. So I'm trying to just give the effect that it's glowing. Even though the warmth was coming out the other side, I want to make it look warm and inviting without drawing too much attention to it. And one thing I thought of, over the summer, I purchased a set of metallic mixed media paints. This was the box that they came in. Sorry, it's upside down. Let's try that. And I haven't really used them much because they're oil-based and I paint with water-based paints most of the time, but every once in a while I just pop them in as a highlight here and there, so I'm going to give that a go. But I'm thinking that since they are oil-based, I'm just going to dip the end of the brush in the paint and just dab a little bit here and there. I don't know if this will do anything at all. I was hoping that it ended up looking kind of shiny, but so far it doesn't really seem to be doing that. I guess we'll see how it looks when it dries. I also have a red and a yellow and a white color that I could try. Not sold on this. I'm not really liking this. I have a different idea. Hang on. Have these metallic markers that I got at the Dollar General for $3. Haven't used them yet. Let's see. Probably going to have to wait till things dry, but just want to see what they do. I think this is where I'm going to stop on this one today. So I hope you enjoyed this piece. Cheers!